In the world of online business, few opportunities offer the potential for financial success quite like affiliate marketing. Imagine earning up to $100,000 a month with the TU affiliate program. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a seasoned marketer, this might be the breakthrough you need. Let's explore how you can start earning today. TU is an online platform known for offering discounted products. Their affiliate program stands out with a high earnings potential, up to $100,000 in monthly commissions, a $10,000 bonus, and a guaranteed $2 for every completed process. It's accessible to anyone, requiring no prior experience. Getting started is simple. Sign up. Use the registration link in the video description or visit the TU website. The process is quick and user-friendly. Select your niche. Choose products to promote, focusing on popular and best-selling items. Maximizing earnings requires effort and strategy. Utilize AI tools for content creation. Use AI like ChatGPT to brainstorm topics and create SEO-friendly content. Build a personal website. Host your site with services like Hostinger and use templates to design a professional-looking website. Leverage SEO and marketing. Optimize your content for Google and incorporate affiliate links naturally. To boost earnings, distribute content across platforms like Scribd, SlideShare, Medium, and social media sites like Tumblr and Reddit. Engage with communities related to your niche to drive traffic to your articles. TU's affiliate program offers a remarkable opportunity to earn substantial income online. By creating quality content and leveraging multiple platforms, you can achieve the coveted $100,000 monthly income. Dive in today and start your journey to financial freedom.